Hi guys, Anel Tunes, the African Mixmaster, back in another tutorial. In today's video, we're continuing with looking at delay. In our previous video, I was supposed to show you something, but ended up driving into a different field of delay, which I hadn't planned to share with you. But today, let me share with you what I really wanted to share with you then and show you how you can use delay. But it's a very powerful tool that I shared in the previous video. Please look for it. Very, very powerful. Now what we're going to do, we're only going to send the delay to our lead voice, as opposed to what we did in the previous video. We sent the reverb to the delay. This is the part of the song. Today, let's look at this part here. It only has reverb without delay.
Gakumyomoyo abatume gwe balanga Katonda tukiriza.
Sounds beautiful. Now let me add delay. Duo 16 slap. It's a preset in Logic. You just go here, select it down here. You don't have to touch anything. We're just going to send the signal to the delay here. Let us try to listen to it in full blast. Sounds like this. Notice the delays have been sent to a reverb here. They have a signal of reverb on them. They are wet delays, they're not dry delays. So then we're going to adjust this knob here to taste.
Abatume gwe balanga Katonda tukiriza. Joy to the world, my ray of hope. He's the light of my life. He is born. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
I hope you feel it. It's just a hugging kind of delay. It's very, very subtle. So let's listen without.
Abatume gwe balanga Katonda tukiriza.
With now.
Abatume gwe balanga Katonda tukiriza.
Now to feel that effect, if you really want to know why this sounds so beautiful, I'm going to trigger the ARTG there by Waves, say at the mastering level. I'm only going to trigger that, and then you're going to feel that effect some more. So when let me begin by playing, then I trigger it.
Abatume gwe balanga Katonda tukiriza. Joy to the world, my ray of hope. He's the light of my life. He is born.
Wow. I know this is a video of using Logic stock plugins. I just brought in this one here to exaggerate our feel on the vocals. I hope you hear how the vocals sound just by using this stereo, slap delay. Sounds so amazing, very subtle. There is that effect it adds to the vocal that I can't even explain in my own words. It just sounds good. Just try it out on your vocals and tell me what you think. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the link in the description. Go right now and sign up for your free course named Secrets to Mixing with Reverb on African Lead Vocals. Totally free. And see you in my next video. Bye-bye.